Aryan, a young man in his mid-20s, sits alone in the park. He's full of dreams but feels stuck. No matter how hard he tries, he can't seem to move forward. He often wonders, why does success seem so far away in his hand? A notebook filled with blank pages a reflection of how he feels. One day, while sitting on the same bench, Aryan meets an older man. The man carries a calm energy and a wise smile. Aryan is drawn to him, curious about the wisdom this stranger might hold. The old man asks, "What is it that you do every day?" Aryan thinks for a moment and realizes, it's nothing consistent. The old man leans in with a kind smile and says, "The key to success isn't big, bold moves, but small, steady steps taken every day. If you want to grow, you must show up consistently, no matter how small the effort." Aryan listens closely, realizing for the first time what has been missing. That night, Aryan returns home with a new mindset. He starts small but makes sure to do something each day to move toward his goals. Whether it's work, fitness, or personal growth, he commits to being consistent. Slowly, his routine begins to change, and so does Aryan. Days turn into weeks. Aryan wakes up early for a morning jog, feeling stronger with each run. At work, he leads meetings with confidence and clarity. In the gym, he pushes himself further, lifting heavier weights. Each small step builds momentum, and Aryan starts seeing progress in every part of his life. Now Aryan stands tall, looking out at the city. The path wasn't easy, but it was the small, daily actions that led him here. He understands now it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Success isn't a distant dream anymore. It's the result of his everyday efforts.